Hello, my name's Sue Grant from Berthon, and today we're going to have a look at Windhorse FPB 83, the first of the amazing FPB series by Steve and Linda Dashew of Dashew Offshore. You're seeing her ashore in Beaufort, North Carolina. She's just had a bit of a refit. She's long and lean, amazing hull shape. This yacht's got a stub keel, big Naiad stabilisers in separated cofferdams, and here we're looking at her anchoring arrangement. And aft she draws 5 feet and with 17-foot beam. She's long and thin, great in a seaway. She's done 60,000 nautical miles with the Dashews before selling on and having another life with a new owner. And here we're on the back deck, checker plate decks. This is the thing I remember most about seeing the yacht when I was first on board. Electric Maxwell anchor windlass, Ford lazarette, Bruce and Fortress anchors. The great room, the glass is tempered glass. You can see it there. And now we're going to walk down these side decks with high guard wires, very safe, and also you can hang on the coach roof top. Aft to the aft deck, and now we find ourselves on the first of the matrix decks. Controls above, which is a much used area, except if you're in deep passage in bad weather. The yacht recovers from capsize, so this matrix deck, as with other FPBs, is sacrificial if you get that far. Joystick control up here. And now this is the glory of Windhorse. The interior was built by Kelly Archer from New Zealand, and it is executed in Burmese teak, high gloss. She has the most extraordinarily fantastic interior, and this varnish work is in close to faultless condition. It really is very, very special. The floors are also teak and holly. The signature FPB galley, induction hob, and then now we're in the owner's stateroom forward. And here you have the main part of the owner's stateroom. She's got fusion, flat screen TVs, large double, loads of storage further forward, nice seating area. The upholstery is all in ultra suede. And there's more storage forward that we're looking at, and a basin. And then here is a bath shower, again seen on all FPBs. And now we're just going to jump aft down into the guest accommodation. So to port we've got a double berth cabin with its own heads, lots of light, entertainment in this cabin. There's a flat screen pop-up TV in the great room, and then into the heads compartment. And the two guest cabins share a separated shower, which takes you into the engine room, housing the twin 150 John Deeres and the generators and so on. And then through this into the other guest cabin, own heads, upper and lower berth. Very quick tour. This is very recent, from September 2023. Windhorse.